Have you ever wondered what's inside your smartphone? It's a question that many of us rarely ponder, but the answer is truly fascinating. This compact device that fits so neatly in your pocket is a marvel of modern technology, a symphony of intricate components working in perfect harmony. Let's start with the motherboard, the central hub that connects everything together. Then there's the processor, the brain of your smartphone running the show behind the scenes. The memory, a vital cog in the machine, holds the information your phone needs to function, while the battery provides the all-important power. Finally, the screen, your window into the digital world, displays all the magic. These are just the bare bones, the tip of the tech iceberg. Each component is a world in itself, a complex marvel of design and engineering. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the fascinating world of smartphone technology. At the heart of your smartphone lies the processor. This is the mastermind, the engine, the powerhouse that truly brings your device to life. Imagine it as a miniaturized supercomputer, tirelessly working to make your phone function. Every swipe, every tap, every command you give is the processor that's making it all happen. But what exactly does a processor do? Well, it's responsible for executing instructions from the basic tasks like sending a text message to more complex ones like playing your favorite game. It's a multitasking maestro, juggling multiple apps and tasks at once, ensuring your smartphone is responsive and efficient. You might have heard of different types of processors like single core, dual core, quad core, and so on. These cores essentially represent the number of tasks a processor can handle simultaneously. The more cores, the more tasks it can juggle at once, and the smoother your smartphone experience. The processor, in essence, is the brain of your smartphone, making it a smart device. Next up, let's talk about the memory and storage of your smartphone. Picture this: your smartphone's memory is like a workspace where all the active tasks take place. More space in this workspace, or random access memory, RAM for short, allows more tasks to run simultaneously without slowing down. Now, imagine your smartphone storage as a filing cabinet. It's where all your files, photos, videos, and apps are kept when they are not in use. The larger the cabinet, the more stuff you can store. So, what's the difference between RAM and storage? Well, RAM is temporary. It's cleared each time you power off your smartphone. Storage, on the other hand, is persistent. It holds onto your files and apps even when the power is off. In the simplest terms, having more RAM lets your smartphone multitask more efficiently, while more storage allows you to keep more files and apps. So, more memory and storage means smoother performance and more space for your photos, videos, and apps. And finally, let's discuss the battery, the life source of your smartphone. This small, often overlooked component plays an integral part in your device's operations. It's the powerhouse that fuels every swipe, every tap, and every selfie. The battery's function is quite simple: to store and release energy. When you charge your phone, electrical energy is stored in the battery. When you use your phone, the battery converts this stored energy into the power that drives your device. Battery life, the duration of time your phone operates before needing a recharge, is a key consideration for many. Why? Because the longer the battery life, the more uninterrupted time you have to enjoy your device. But here's a tip: to preserve your battery life, avoid overcharging and extreme temperatures. Both can cause wear and stress, shortening the battery's lifespan. Remember, a well-maintained battery ensures that your smartphone runs efficiently and lasts longer. So, treat it well.